this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to retrieve your deleted photos on your Android tablet. So if you have a photo and you go to it and you delete it, maybe it's this one for example, this is going to be moved to the trash can. So it's not permanently deleted quite yet. We want to go to the trash can. So you can find your trash can if we go back to the gallery. Here's Google Photos. We can find the trash can under here. So here's trash. And these are all the things in my trash right now. And it says backed up items will be permanently deleted after 60 days in the trash can. Okay, so you can just go to your photo here and you can just tap it and you go to restore. And now it's back under my main gallery.
This is how you wash your whites.
And some of these are probably older than 60 days. I got some old pictures on here. Some of these are from like last year. So, yeah, pretty old. What I could also do is swipe up and go to Files. And then in the top left, I can go to Trash. I can find my deleted photos under here as well. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.